got a 09 G5 in the garage here. I wasn't gonna make a video about it, but I searched and searched and searched. There's not one video on YouTube about the problem that I run across these. Whenever the door's shut, door's unlocked, you can pull and pull and pull and pull, door won't open. Door won't open from the inside either. Okay, so what you have to do, one of the videos I seen was a guy put some pressure on the outside of the door and the door opened like that, but that's not the issue that this one here has. Yeah, even from the inside, door won't open. It'll act like the door's locked. So what you got to do, you got to come in, you got to take door panel off. There's 2 Phillips screws down in here, and there's 1 Phillips up in here. Then gently, but with some force, try not to break your panel, take the door panel loose. Take the door panel loose. You'll have about 8 to 10 inches to work with. Then what I did was I sprayed a bunch of penetrant down in there, try to free things up and go that route, which did not work for me. That's whenever YouTube come into play. Okay, so what I did is I have another car out here. It's a junk car. I pulled the door latch mechanism out of that car to study it. So what I was having was, see, this is where the inside door handle goes. Or yeah, the inside door handle. There's your cable. There's this cable here that attaches to the inside door handle. Then it goes down in there. So this is your door lock. Door lock. This is for the driver's side. Passenger side doesn't have this. Then this is for your outside door handle. It clips in here. The problem I was having is this here is supposed to spring back, and it ain't, or wasn't. So what that does is your outside door handle, it acts like it's locked, like there's nothing there. And doesn't matter what you do, won't open up until you release that. Then that has a nice spring to it. So if you're having an issue with your door opening or not opening from the inside or outside, that would be your problem, is your inside door handle. This guy right here. Let's see if I can, yeah, see how it's stuck? Yep, just need to lube that up, which with all the penetrant that I sprayed on there, it's already coming back free. Yeah, it's free now. So I can just bolt this right back in and it won't give me any problems. I hope this helps some of you. I know I messed with that for about an hour, and I had it all apart, had my hand in there, and you can't quite see what you're doing. So all you want to do, grab this cable here, follow it down in the door. You'll feel this metal lever here, you'll feel it being like that. Actually goes in the car like that. So you'll feel it shut or open, closed, whatever, what have you. You just put your finger behind it, push it open. Thanks for watching.